Live with your parents. Time is running out. Time is running out. So love your parents. My father nature look like a coconut. Outside is very harder and inside is very softer. Good evening, people. So first of all, I have one question for you. Do you believe in God?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Also, I do, because I have my parents. So this is my topic today. Parents. Parents is a most valuable thing, not a thing. Is a valuable person. And when I see my parents, they give me some motivate, and they also encourage me. And when I fail in my 12th when I was fail in my 12th class, they are not to shout on me. They supports me, like it's just a 1 year. You can do it again. You have a capacity. You do again, and that time you will fire on your paper. My father nature look like a coconut. Outside is very harder and inside is very softer, because when I face so many problems, they always with me. But when I do a little mistake, they beat me. Because I actually beating is good by your parents, because when you are doing again mistake, you feel a fear. You do not ever do. You do not ever do again. And my thing is beating is good. And also I have a one for example. A single people who can beat a stone to give a structure. So that's why his beating is good. And my father is a person and I am a stone. That time I'm in front of you and camera, and also I have some great personality teacher. So thank you for this, because my parents do for me. And I will tell about my mom. I think when I start to telling about my mom, I feel I have no words, because I can't express my feeling. Mother is like a word. We can't live without her. You can feel my words, and I think you should to feel, because this is not word, this is my feeling. And mother is like I was telling about my father, but mother is when I said my mother is like a beta khana kha le, like that. I face any problem, my mother was single dialogue beta khana kha le. It's like that, because she never feel like me alone in any problem. She loved me so much, and I think that word is enough to describe her, because when I start to describe her, my words is zero, my knowledge is zero, my express is zero. I am totally blank in this time. And I tell about some very dangerous fact, not a dangerous fact, don't just think, like in India so many children don't have parents. You can't feel this, because you have. You can't feel them pain, them struggle. I want to share with you a very bad thing, literally very bad thing. When we are a children, parents care too much. But when parents will be older, we can't to take care of him. You can think we can't, because when we are children, we eat it some soil, and we go there, and we go and anywhere and we do we do so many mistakes in childhood because we are childish. But when parents is older, that says they are also our children, but but we can't to handle it because we think some people think like when parents is older is a useless thing. I watch so many children to do that with parents. They leave parents in old age home and live with her small family like wife and children, but they forget his children become a elder, and they become a older. If they do that, if they do with his parents, his his parents, and in future his children do same thing. So I think you love your parents, because a very bad thing I share with you, like suppose in future you have a no parents, what you do? You do nothing. You have parents, you have a lot of money, you have a lots of home, so many things, but you have a parents, what you do? Nothing. So I think you love your parents, that is your time, because day by day we are growing up and we are busy, and live with your parents. Time is running out. Time is running out. So love your parents, and that is my speech. Thank you for today, everyone.